Hey guys, it's Ricky from Backyard Builder. Now, building a shed may seem like a daunting task to a DIY novice, but provide a level, sound, and sturdy base, and the rest should be simple. First, you want to consider the optimum site for your garden building in terms of general access, surrounding area conditions, natural light, a view from the planned area, like your backyard, summer house, etc. And do you intend to run an electrical supply to the building? Because this is all important. It is crucial to provide a level and dry foundation. It is unfeasible to assemble a shed on an unsound base. Otherwise, screw holes connecting the wall panels will not line up, and for larger buildings especially, where the shed is to be used as a workshop, a full concrete base is best. However, generally there are two types of base suitable for a garden building. Consider either concrete base or paving slab base. Whichever method is more suitable, we recommend that you have a 2-inch or 5 centimeter lip around the base of your shed. To calculate the size of the base required for the particular building you wish to build, add 4 inches to the overall base dimensions to ensure an adequate base size. Now today I'm going to be going over the concrete base method. And the tools required for this is pegs and string, building sand, standard cement, timber for base formwork, tape measure, and spade sweeping brush. Step 1. First, we want to decide the position where the shed is going to be in an optimal space. You want to allow enough distance from hedges or fences to easily access all sides. Using pegs and string, mark out the base 2 inches or 5 centimeters larger than the area of the building on each side. And finally, use measured diagonals to ensure the area is square. Step 2. You want to use a concrete base which requires 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters of compacted hard core underneath the 3-inch concrete layer. The base can be level with the ground or raised above. If it is to be level, excavate on top of the earth to 6-inch to allow for the hardcore layer and 3-inch thickness of concrete. Level the area with a rake and spade and remove the pegs. Step 3. Now you want to set up a leveled formwork. This involves measuring, cutting, and fitting timber to the shape of the base in order to contain concrete. Check the diagonals to ensure the formwork is square and also ensure the formwork is level, as this will determine whether your base is 100% level. Next, spread a layer of well compacted hard core and cover with a liberal amount of sand. Step 4. Next, mix concrete using 1 part cement to 5 parts ballast, or use bags of dry mixed concrete to which you just add water. Small amounts of water should be added at a time and mixed into the concrete to ensure excessive amounts are not added, making the cement sloppy, as the concrete should be kept on the drier side. Now spread the concrete evenly and slightly proud of formwork. This can then be leveled off with a long straight edge of timber resting on the formwork using a sawing motion, slowly, over the entire surface of the freshly laid concrete. If wet weather is forecast, cover the concrete with polyethylene for 24 hours. In warm weather, cover the base with damp sacks and sprinkle them with water over the 24-hour period. This will ensure the drying concrete will not shrink and crack. The result is a smoother, sound, and level base and the perfect foundation for the construction of a shed. Well, I hope this helps you out in building a base for your shed. And if you want more simple information on building a shed, or you want to learn how to build a shed completely from scratch, check out the link in the description where you can see my review of Ryan's Shed Plans, which is a program that I highly recommend looking to build a shed of your own fast and simply, even if you're a beginner. So click the link in the description, check it out, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.